All right, Missy Misfire gets it started in the semifinals. Number 10, Missy Misfire, fresh off of dominating the Wiener Dog circuit. She gets out like lightning, and this girl puts the pressure on. She says runs a 9.56. Good job, Missy. It amazes me that a Dotson, small with her little legs, runs 100 yards consistently under 10 seconds. Number 26, Kirby, and you can follow Kirby at Big Time Bebo. Kirby on Instagram at Big Time Bebo. Number 26, Kirby in the 14 and underclass semifinal. This girl is out there, and Kirby jumps right in the first place with an 8.40. I was going to say she was out there drifting a little, but she runs an 8.4 and jumps in the first place. Good job, Kirby.